Hey guys, so I'm getting ready. My birthday party's today at 5:53. I just got out the shower and this camera is so crooked. Holy crap. Okay, anyways. So yeah, I just got out the shower and I'm gonna start getting ready. I already have my outfit. I'll show you guys what I'm doing getting ready. Carter's here.
Hello. Oh my god. I have a blanket on me because it's cold. Hi. How are you doing your makeup?
I'm just doing it how I had it today at school. I just decided to just go simple because I don't want to like start a makeup. Like I don't want to start doing an eyeshadow look and then it like not look good. So I decided to just go with something pretty simple. God, I'm breaking out using the, I don't even know how to say this, but it's just the Essential Day Moisturizer. So do you just want to tell me what you got me for my birthday? Since it's not here.
Oh, well, I mean like.
Oh, you haven't gotten it?
No, I haven't bought it. I don't have money
okay.
yet.
Well, then you're fine. I thought you already got something. It just wasn't here.
No. I don't have money yet. I'm getting it on Friday. Not like.
Oh yeah, how
today.
is Duncan? Girl, get in the camera so you can explain your situation.
Okay, you guys. So it's her birthday today, but I just started working at Dunkin' Donuts and I don't have money. I haven't gotten paid yet. So
he doesn't have to get a gift. He literally doesn't have to give one.
I know I don't have to, but I want to get her a gift because she's a good ass friend. But yeah, I just don't have money yet, but I promise you I'm getting you something. We'll do an updated video. When
Carter comes back.
Dude, I like the mirrors in this house. Like I feel like good about myself. I don't know what's wrong with the mirrors at my home, but like they wonky or something. I'll put the blanket back.
Okay. So I'm gonna use the Born This Way foundation. I did try, I got this like the NARS like Radiance foundation and I was gonna wear that one, but I wore it yesterday and it like made my face look all type of weird. And then I wore it today because I was like, maybe it was just like something, like, you know, maybe it was just a primer I used or something. But then Carter's like checking himself out in the mirror.
No, I don't know.
And so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna give it a chance. But then I tried it today and it still wasn't good. So can you have that pink towel?
Yeah.
Is I cut my finger tying up balloons yesterday and it like hurt really bad. It still does hurt. This foundation is way too orange for me right now, but hopefully she's blended out.
So to anyone in this video who does self-tanner, just look at my hand compared to my face.
Bro, it's so bad. I thought I would use this foundation just because it's like, I trust it, but it's like really, really dark.
That's okay.
I was gonna do self-tanner, but then Olivia and Jocelyn were like, no, don't. So I was like, okay, I guess
I'll do it every 2 days. I don't think I've seen my natural skin tone in like over a year.
Every 2 days? Do you scrub it off before you put on another layer?
Yeah, I have like this vanilla like exfoliating stuff from Walmart. I feel like these shorts make me look big is what I'm worried
You wanna
about.
go do me a favor? Will you go into the other bathroom and get me that mirror?
Yeah.
Because this seeing far away crap is not gonna work for me. Hopefully my makeup turns out good because if it doesn't turn out good,
Sorry, I had a bad day. You cannot have another one.
the tea on the day, sis, is there's so much tea about today. Savannah's not having a good day today. It was just not her day. Just a lot's been going on. I'm trying to have a birthday party basically, right? So I did this big old thing for my birthday party. I'm not gonna go into too much detail just because I don't want to like be that girl, but yeah, family drama basically. Just to sum the tea up. It's just been really stressful and hopefully I can just have a good time with my friends and not worry about it anymore because golly, I've just been all over the place. I've been so emotional today. It's been crazy, but hopefully my last cry session was my last one.
We're gonna have a fun ass time. Just gonna have fun. Your makeup looks so good. You have such long eyelashes, dude. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, my eyebrows look so pale or like so like light.
Are you gonna do like dark eyeshadow or like what are you gonna do?
No, I'm just putting bronzer because I just want to be safe. I want to make sure I look good and like I don't like mess anything up.
If they call me orange, I'm fine, but if they call me pale, I might cry.
Girl.
Help me find the lover.
He wants a boyfriend, guys, so y'all help him. Set him
Apply.
up.
CARTERGILESS on Instagram. I like the shimmers.
Highlight, honey.
Oh, that's highlight.
This one needs to teach you how to do makeup. Oh my god, you should learn.
Maybe clown makeup. I can't. No.
Girl, you don't even need makeup for that.
Oh, really? Oh. It took me a minute. I really said really. I was like, really? Oh my god. Are you wearing false?
Mm-hmm.
You put them on first before you mascara, right?
No, I put mine on after mascara.
Oh shit.
But y'all, Carter doesn't know anything about makeup. I'm trying to get him into it, but he just like, it's like, no.
I look like I have carrot fingers. It's okay, you can have a white face. I'll have orange fingers to balance it out.
It's just because like your body is tan, but your face isn't tan.
Exactly.
Why isn't your face tan?
Well, like, I don't know. I put it on my face. It just didn't hold, I guess. Look how tan my hands are.
I don't know why I'm like rushing to get ready, like as if I have to be ready in like 5 seconds.
We have literally an hour.
I know. Wipe off all this. Now I look like super white. I've been using this bronzer. It's the Kylie bronzer in Toasty. I've been using the Morphe M143 brush. It's really good because it like really gets in there.
Let's try to get her to 300,000 subscribers before her birthday ends.
This is not gonna be up before then though.
Oh wait, never mind. You're probably saying this after her birthday. Well, do you want 300K by?
It's not gonna. By Valentine's Day. I'm just kidding. No, by Easter.
You could do Valentine's Day.
Easter.
I said Valentine's Day, but she said Easter, so let's see who wins.
Then I take a little bit on this brush. I took a little bit on this BH Cosmetics 104. Y'all see this hoe?
I didn't know they could see me. I was like, sorry. If y'all see me like doing that, it's because these shorts are loose and I can't tell like how bad they look on me.
I don't think I look very blended, but it's not really that big of a deal. And then for blush, I've been using the Kylie Close to Perfect blush. It's a really pretty color. The only thing I don't like is, I mean, this is a pretty lighter color. Normally I wear like a lot darker blush. So like I pack it on. Normally I don't have to do that because I like get such dark blushes. It's still really cute once you build it up. I need to do my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna do some setting spray. I'm gonna get my Morphe M504 brush and just dip my eyeshadow brush into my bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply some bronzer to my...
Girl, did you like go rolling grass or some shit?
Did I?
I have no idea. There's like 2 pieces of grass.
She's like, girl, did you like rolling grass or something?
Like I'm just like, why the...
Didn't you know what like my bed is?
Like, did she just like roll down a hill before she came over? I was like, damn, okay.
I just said that so messily, but like...
I love your tiniest blonde roots.
Okay, and then for highlighter, we're gonna go in with the Glow Kit. I think I'm gonna do Gumdrop and Butterscotch. I'm not a big highlighter person. I don't really like crazy highlight.
That looks good.
And then I'm gonna take Gumdrop on my nose. Excuse me. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Guys, this is gonna take me a fat minute. And I'm gonna bring this over here because...
You should let me do your eyebrows.
Girl, no. What the heck? Wait, this is not the day to be trying things new. I'm so excited. I can't wait for everybody to get here. I forgot my speaker though, so my mom's gonna bring it. You guys should go leave a nice comment or like thumbs up this video for Savannah's birthday. Yeah, do that. I normally, like, I put on moisturizer first, so I couldn't really like do my eyebrows and conceal because then it would have been like all sloppy looking. But so now I'm doing them now, so if I mess up, I can't really conceal them. So we're gonna try to not. What's that thing mean where they're like,
Eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins.
like your eyebrows aren't gonna look identical? Like my eyebrows aren't identical. Like this one's shorter like this and this one's longer.
I don't think mine are the same either, so.
You said what?
I said you're nailing it.
Oh, thanks. I thought you were like, I don't know what I thought you said, but that was not what I thought you said.
You know what I've always wanted to try? I've always wanted to try body glitter.
Like that you wear at festivals?
Yeah, but like I have no reason to get it. Like, I mean, I would love to go to,
Go to a festival.
oh my god, what's it called?
Coachella?
Coachella, yes. Oh. You guys, if you want to be...
How did I know he was gonna say Coachella?
If you want to be real SavWay Nation people, send us Coachella tickets.
No.
You're right. Send me Coachella tickets. And then if you send us the Coachella tickets, we'll vlog it for you.
Yeah, just you.
Dude, Coachella would be so fun, but I'm never gonna be rich enough to go to that. How do we become friends with Emma Chamberlain? We need hype. Charlie D'Amelio, hit us up.
I'm doing eyeliner because I put on eyeliner before I put on my wings. I mean, not my wings, my
lashes.
Before I put on my lashes, because if I don't, then it like looks, it like will get too close to my lash line and it like rips out my eyelashes, and I don't like that feeling, so I always put on eyeliner. The mascara I'm using is the Lash Sensational. You wanna put on mascara?
Yeah. Oh wait, for you?
No, for you. Let me do your makeup, bro.
Maybe later.
Maybe later. We don't got time for later.
No, I don't want to look like crazy in our picture.
You're not. I'll literally just put on like a natural face. Like I'll just put on some concealer.
Girl, you know I need that. Do you have an eyelash curler?
I have one, but it's not here. It's in my house.
I swear stretching feels so good.
Okay, I'm gonna be right back and put my lashes on because I feel like this video's gonna be really long. So I'll be right back when I have my lashes on.
Oh, Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay. So I'm done doing my makeup.
You should let me do like a full body.
What it looks like. Okay.
When you get your clothes on.
Yeah. I'm getting ready. So I'm just gonna straighten my hair because I already have my hair straightened today. So I don't want to like put too much. I mean, I'm putting heat on it obviously, but I don't want to like do the whole curl thing.
And I don't think we even have time if we wanted to. So good luck.
The vlog. Oh, right. Throwback to homecoming. My hair's so tangly.
Let me press it.
Carter's like obsessed. Like what?
Flower, gleam, and glow.
I hate you.
I forgot the rest of the words. Bring back what was once mine or something.
This is literally how dark our hair gets, I think. Right?
Yeah,
Whenever,
my
like,
hair's
it
about
cuts
this
it off.
color. Naturally.
We're gonna party. We're gonna go.
I'm so much bigger than you.
Okay.
How tall are you?
5 foot.
Okay, yeah. She's 5 foot.
5'1"1/4" to be quite exact.
Adorable.
Carter's like 5'9", right? And I'm 5 foot.
And I love it because I look tall in our pictures. I just like choked. Do you remember our pictures at the fair where literally every fucking person got in the way?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Carter was my fair date.
Yeah. And we saw like every person you knew there.
Seriously, it was quite an adventure. Pizza's getting here at 7:30. I forgot my speaker, so my mommy's gonna bring it. I don't know if I already said that, but
You did.
yeah, I feel like I did. But yeah, and then we have everything set up.
Her looks so good for like dyeing it so much. Like it doesn't look like thin at all.
I honestly really don't dye my hair that much. Like, I mean, yeah, obviously I'm dyeing it now, but like before I dyed it brown,
It was
I
virgin
really,
basically.
yeah, like I got highlights and stuff, but I didn't like really dye it a lot. Like if I got highlights, it was like literally every once in a while. Like I would let them hose grow out to like here before I would get them done. So
Then there's me who's like,
I need my roots done every 3 weeks.
not.
I'm like, I don't care. I want it fried and
You
I
can
want it
literally see
dead.
the blonde like right there.
Girl, Caroline. It's so funny because her roots are like white blonde and then mine are like black. It's like, oh.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. It's super duper cute. It's pretty much all from Attica, except for the belt, and I'll tell you guys where everything's from. No, not that hasn't opened
Shut
up.
up, Siri.
Okay, so
This is not the time.
quick intermission. So basically the outfit that I have, my nips are just not wanting to go away. So we're not gonna wear this. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna cover up my nipples, but let me just show you guys
Like
really quick.
emojis over them.
Oh, we turned that off. Okay, so this was, oh, I can't even see. Hold on, guys. So this was the outfit. This is super cute, right? You know, like, ooh, cute woman. No, the titties are just like wanting to say hello to everybody. So we have to make a quick little break, intermission.
Before everybody shows up.
Yeah, because everybody's on their way right now. Where are my Crocs?
Oh, I'm bringing my lemonade.
We have to hurry and go to the residence and change. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. Guys, so I'm finished getting ready. This is the outfit that we decided to on. I was supposed to wear a white top, but
It didn't work out.
it didn't work out, so.
Oh my god.
That was nice.